What's going on YouTube? Your boy back with another vid, and this is gonna be a quick one. I'm just going over the maintenance I got done so far on the 2012 Infiniti M35h. It's not gonna be a long video, real short, because it's a real reliable vehicle. But get straight into it. So far, as long as I had the vehicle, I've only got 4 oil changes. Fully synthetic, which ran me about $70 to $75 at Jiffy Lube. That's where I go every time to get my oil changes. I don't go to no dealership or anything like that. I also got my brake fluid changed the last time I was there. As you can see, nice golden color. If I still have the picture of what I had before, I'll include it down below. But that's nice, fresh, clean brake fluid. So fresh, clean brake fluid. 4 oil changes, and good oil changes for right now. I also got my rear differential fluid swapped out. So I think that was about $90 or so. All this was done at Jiffy Lube. So, but yeah, that's pretty much all the maintenance I pretty much got done. 4 oil changes, rear diff fluid change, and brake fluid. Still got the stock tires that came on the car when I first got it at 53,000 miles. I'm now at almost 71,000. Continental pure contact. Typically 550 or 18. That's the tread. So yeah, these are the brakes and tires all the way around. That's how the change goes, but those will probably be the next things I end up changing, well, actually upgrading. As you can see, tires. Brakes are still good, but you know, I'm gonna swap those out all the way around whenever I get the tires done. Other than that, no real maintenance. My windshield did crack, but I had got that nipped in the bud next day with the little repair kit from one of those auto parts stores, probably Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, one of those. But I fixed that for how much ever the little kit cost, maybe like $10. So other than that, it's just regular maintenance. Yeah, that's it. Nothing heavy. Belts are good. No flats. I had no nails in my tires. No breakdowns, of course. No check engine lights at all. Starts up nice every time. No rough idles. Everything's been pretty smooth. No weird noises when I start it up. I can even start it up for you right now. No weird noises or nothing. Like, pretty good car. Very reliable. Very reliable. Oops, hold on. Well, I guess you can hear it from here, matter of fact. Yeah, guys. You feel me? No squeaking, no squealing. Nothing like that. Real healthy car, you know. But like I said, it was a quick video on the maintenance if you was wondering what the maintenance is like if you own the Infiniti. Long as it's well maintained, you feel me? Long as especially if you get it used, if you just make sure you do the Carfax and make sure it had one good owner, or if it had multiple owners, just make sure the maintenance is good. So just upkeep the maintenance, and these Infinitis will definitely last you 200 up to 300,000 miles. I'm trying to tell you, like, very strong transmissions, very strong engines. Infiniti is definitely the way to go. But you know, guys, I ain't gonna keep rambling. Until next time.